Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert WebP to PNG images without losing resolution. If you want to convert WebP to PNG image file on Windows computer without any hassle, then this video will help you. WebP is an image format developed by Google, which supports transparent image like PNG file, even the smaller size without compromising the image quality. But the problem is this file format doesn't support for all the applications. This file format is suitable for web-based program, and this is a modern image format. In this video, I will show you the WebP converter application to convert WebP to PNG format. This is a completely free application. You can convert unlimited image even offline too. I already have downloaded this installer, so I'm not going to download again. Okay, now I am going to install the application. Our application has been installed now. Here are some WebP images. You can also convert it to JPG format. I'm going to convert it to PNG, so I'm going to select PNG. Now import the images. And click on Options. I want the highest quality of the image, so I am going to set 100%. Now set the path where you want to save those output files. Once everything has done, click on Convert, and this will automatically one by one converting. Doesn't matter how much files are in the queue. You can find several online websites to convert your image file, but those are very certain amount of files at a time you can convert. Maybe 2 or 5, even 10. And here is our output file format and the file size. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.